Huh?
Oh, you smell weird.
I'm not, no. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is our yearly... Shut up! This is our yearly collab.
Fuck you.
This is FLO. I saw this on Instagram. This girl, she was doing this challenge.
You should insert the video.
I will.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know the girl's name, so...
A challenge for all the makeup artists. Pick your favorite palette, count how many shades, there's 35 in this one. Put each number on a sheet of paper. Put them in a bag, shake them out. Now pick 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Create a look with the numbers you were given. This is the look I created. Now it's your turn.
I'll be using the Artistry palette. And you?
Well, I don't have my whole makeup bag, so I'm gonna use my mini Huda Beauties, but I'm gonna combine them to make like 18 shadows. So I'll pick like, how many from each?
You just pick 3. I'll
3?
pick.
So yeah, 3 out of mine, and she's gonna pick 3 out of hers. I'm gonna pick 3.
This is a really good palette. I don't care, so...
I'm gonna pick 3 because mine is really small.
We're gonna ask Siri to...
Well, you have to choose which way you're gonna count. Okay.
Okay. Wait.
Sorry.
Pick a number between 1 and 39.
It's 8.
I love this number.
It's my favorite number. It's my lucky number. People told me that 8 is a lucky number for Asians.
Yeah, because it's comme infini, like infinite life.
Yeah, I was like, damn.
I just like
that
number
explains
8.
a lot. Actually, do you want to know why number 8 is my favorite number?
What?
When I was little, we used to do like field trips with parents, and then there were like too many parents that wanted to go on the field trip. So they were like, okay, it's gonna be between Florence and 2 other girls. So then they were like, pick a number from this and this, and I was like, it was like the last spot. So I was like, 8, and they were like, okay, Florence's mom comes.
That's really
so
cute.
then I was like, 8 is gonna be my favorite number from now on.
I just like 8 and I hate 16, so...
Okay.
I broke my arm on the 16th, so...
Oh god. Oh no.
Okay, thank you, Siri.
3 numbers.
Pick a number between 1 and 18.
I found this on the web.
Bitch. Yellow. I hate this color.
Wait. Okay, so yours is 10, 12, 17. Mine are 18, 20, and this one.
Yo, bro. Yeah, they're all matte. What am I supposed to do with all matte?
Well, that's your problem.
Little cunt. Kind of ugly.
I filmed something yesterday. I did not wash this brush. Pick a number between 1 and 18.
I bet this. It's another matte one.
So we're gonna do our base and then we're gonna do our eyes.
Got my little veil one.
Hourglass. Damn.
Your girl is oily. She need a good ass primer. Wait, attends, j'ai pas mouillé mon beauty blender.
Oh shit.
Beauty gurus my ass, you know?
Bitch.
I hate this primer. From booty blenders.
So here's the thing. It doesn't show that much, but I'm really dark. Well, really dark on camera. I'm darker than her. And so
On my face it has a yellow undertone.
it's not that bad. So I bought this concealer thinking it was my shade because I think I tried the tester, but the tester wasn't the same as the one I bought.
Why is it so white? Hold on. I'm wearing a white shirt on this.
Marie! The girl wasn't kidding when she said she drops something every video.
Je fais même pas exprès.
I really like it. So if you want to take it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, I forgot to prime my eyes.
So imagine, it fits her face. So imagine on me,
She would look
must have
like a
looked
ghost. Remember when you tried last year my concealer and you're like, or my foundation, the spray foundation?
Yes, yo, do you still have that?
That shit was expired like 2 years ago.
Thanks. Like the coverage was none.
Oh shit, c'est tout mouillé, merde. Okay, I look, je n'ai mis. Just when I'm about to say, I think I put a little too much.
I'm gonna bronze it up a little smidge.
I remember someone at school, they're like, how much makeup do you have? How much would it like combine the price? How much would it be?
Girl.
I'm like, listen,
You
Just
imagine me. I have so many makeup palettes. I
where
have so many things at home.
this is why I buy a bunch of drugstore stuff.
I mean, I'm still broke, but when I was broker, I used to always buy drugstore, but now everything I have, more or less, is more high-end. Your girl is fancy schmancy. The thing I used to set my face is a Chanel powder. So, I mean...
I set my face with this quote thing from the drugstore.
I had a gift card from that really fancy place. And so I was like, might as well use it for makeup. So
I don't go to Dior anyways. It's too expensive for me. When I was at school, when I was really lazy, I would put gel, shape it, and then it would look so ugly, like a bush, mais genre. I would be at school for an hour, so I'd be like, YOLO.
it's not focusing.
Of course not.
And then it's just like, if they're... My skin is like my priority. I always take care of it. And I was listening to one girl. She was like, oh, you know what I do when I have a pimple? I take some vinegar and I like rub it in. And I was like, sweetie, I'm so sorry. Like,
Don't do that.
I was listening. To be honest, I sometimes forget to prime my I keep saying my eyebrows, but sometimes I just
lids?
don't prime them, and I'm like,
Primer for my eyelids like changed the game. It doesn't crease anymore. Wait, what?
what's happening?
Wait, neuf c'est ça maintenant. I can't count.
Stupid.
That just like makes it worse.
She's stupid. So first I'm gonna use this one one as a base because that's one of the shadows I got, so I guess why not? We're gonna base.
Okay, yeah, I have to use the purple.
At least I have a base color, so that's cool.
I don't even have a transition color. How am I supposed to add purple in this? What are your favorite colors to do your eye makeup look?
I always do pinks.
Oh, what?
Pinks or reddish. I don't know why. I just always do it.
I like warm colors like the red, yellow, and orange.
Yeah, I never do like cold colors on me for some reason. I don't know why, but it's just like I always do something that's more like warm tones, and I feel like it makes you look like younger, fresh, awake.
This is a really cute color.
The orange one you're using?
Yeah. I don't know.
That looks nice. I'm sure you'll come up with something that looks cool.
Cut crease. What?
Classic.
Does orange and purple actually look good together?
I mean, warm.
Happy Halloween.
I hate my shape of my eyes, because like one is like really nice, but then the other one's like not as creased as the other one, so it looks ratchet sometimes.
Ratchet. Okay, this shit don't blend. Hello? It looks unblended.
No, looks like you're about to do a good crease. So yeah, my mom was like, oh yeah, you get to wear makeup if you want during the weekend, but in the week I would rather you not wear makeup because focus on school. And I was like, okay, that's a good deal. And then she just has no rules anymore because she's like,
my mom
to do whatever you want.
Just lied to me my whole time I did my makeup, because she's like, oh, it's so pretty, and then I would have eyeliner like all over my lid and look.
I mean, she's trying to be. She's trying to be supportive.
Yeah.
She's not gonna be like, this shit ugly. Like,
yeah, but
thanks, Mom.
if we had an event, I don't know.
Okay, she would let you go out like that?
No, I don't remember. That's the thing. I don't think she would. I think I would put, if I had an event, just lipstick.
Let's use the same brush because I'm on a budget.
I'm just lazy. When I was younger, I used to think that I would never be able to do a cut crease on my eyes because I have Asian eyes.
That's sad.
And then I would see on the internet every other person doing it on bigger eyes. So then I just practiced and then it worked.
I feel like I look like a raccoon.
Remember that?
Oh my god, the first video we filmed together, and I did like a smoky eye on you, but it didn't kind of work, so you look like a raccoon.
We were like newly friends too, so I was like, it's so good.
It wasn't
what I was talking about
bad.
It was
bad, but it wasn't like.
No, because you didn't do my eyebrows well, so it just looked weird.
Yeah, I couldn't do eyebrows when we started to like.
No, but I was talking about the no mirror makeup challenge thing when you were doing your thing.
Yeah. It's like brownish.
I just don't know where I'm gonna put the freaking purple in this.
But I wish I had like different colors. It would have looked nicer.
Yeah.
Because that red, I use it for everything. That like pinkish color, I love that pink color.
Ugh.
I feel like I need eyeliner or something. Shake it, baby. I need to go to the bathroom. This is going a little too high. Should be a little bit more down. I'm trying something out. It might look really ratchet.
Okay.
But it might look cute though.
I have like 3 eyelashes.
Oh shit.
I just painted my eyeball. Hold on.
Oh, that's not that bad. Shook Mahi. Okay. She snapped. My eyes are not equal, and that's when I hate it. When I'm doing my makeup and it looks ratchet.
I might spray you, sorry. My mom thought this was an eagle.
Oh, the disappointment. Oh my god. I'm gonna use your setting spray because I didn't bring mine.
There was a NYX boutique in Vegas. I was like living my life. Because NYX is good for specific things.
And it's cheaper too.
Not the eyeliner.
No, it's crusty. Thank you. Now I'm a real Chinese princess.
Oh,
So this is the final
wow.
look.
Oh,
Amazing.
this is our finished looks.
So that's Mahi's.
This is weird.
I feel like
Okay. Come in the middle.
bro, I look so ugly with this.
No, stop it. Turn side to side.
I look.
But the highlight is like popping.
It's like a blend of my natural oils.
So, thank you for watching. Go check out her video that we did together. And
Subscribe. You suck at this, man.
I know, bro. I
Don't
haven't
forget
done
to like, comment, and subscribe.
I haven't done a video in months, so
Do you want to like?
I did a bunch of videos,
Hmm.
but I never edited them.
All right, guys.
Bye. Thanks. Okay, bye. This shit is in the. Was this the whole? This was in the viewfinder the whole
I don't
time.
think so. I don't think so.
Okay.
Hopefully not.